International Sports Day is celebrated on August 29 every year to honor the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand, one of India's greatest sports legends and hockey players. The day is dedicated to promote sports and physical fitness across the country. In India, sports has experienced a rapid growth across all the segments in the last few years. The government of India has made significant investments for the athletic facilities and training, which will pump out more athletes and sport persons in time to come. Friends, we all know about Olympic Games. The Olympic Games have a long history with the ancient games. These were originated in the ancient Greece and was revived in the late 19th century. The first Olympic game took place in Athens in April 1896. In 1900 Olympic, women take part for the first time. The Olympic Games are held for every 4 years. Have you ever wondered about the 5 rings in the Olympic symbol and what the color mean? Well, the 5 rings represent the part of the world: Africa, Asia, Australia, America, and Europe. Each of the ring is equal in dimensions. In formation, they are interlaced with one each other, with 3 rings at the top and 2 at the bottom. The connection of the rings not only represent the union of the continents but also symbolizes the meeting of many athletes from around the world. They also signify 3 core values such as excellence, friendship, and respect. Olympism promotes the fitness of mind and body and teamwork for humanity.
For India, a century of Olympic history is filled with a number of highs, such as a record of 8 gold medals in hockey, 6 of which were consecutive. K.D. Jadhav's first individual medal for an independent India, Abhinav Bindra's historic gold at Beijing 2008, and the first ever track and field gold by Neeraj Chopra in 2020 Tokyo Olympics. There have also been some lows and a couple of heartbreaks along the way. The grandest sports event of 2024, the Paris Olympics, finally concluded on 11th August. India won 6 medals, 1 silver and 5 bronze medals in Paris 2024 Olympics. Manu Bhakar bagged the bronze medal in 2024 Paris Olympics. She then became the first Indian woman to have won an Olympic shooting medal. She then created history by becoming the first Indian to have won 2 medals in a single edition of Olympics. Neeraj Chopra also bagged a silver medal in 2024 Paris Olympics. Other than this, the medalists of Paris 2024 Olympics are Swapnil Kusale bagged a bronze medal in men's 50-meter rifle shooting. Aman Sehrawat bagged a bronze medal in men's 57 kg freestyle wrestling. Men's hockey team also bagged a bronze medal in Paris 2024 Olympics, and Sabarjot Singh bagged a bronze medal in shooting. India has competed in Winter Olympics since 1964 but has yet to win a medal. India competed at 2022 Winter Olympics in Beijing. RF Khan, a skier from Kashmir, participated in the 2022 Winter Olympics. In a nutshell, sports industry is one of the most rapidly growing industry in India. Sports develop the spirit of competition in us, which is useful in our life. It is necessary to move forward in our life. Unless the spirit of competition is developed in our life, we will not try to move forward. Thank you.